Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how best we can change background in Photoshop CC. Yeah, first of all, we are going to start with we are going to start by selecting our photo here, and then after selecting our photo, we highlight it, and then we select it, and then we take it to the background we want to use. So at the moment, we are taking this photo and we're going to put it on this background here. Hope you can see that. We're going to put it on this background here. So let's take our selected part of the photo, and we bring it here. So once we bring it there, we have to first unzoom our part. First unzoom, then after unzooming, then that's how we can be able to change our background. So then zoom again, and then see where exactly do you want to put your image. Yeah, so let's reduce on the size of the photo. Reduce on the size of the photo, then you try to balance it around, at least to show that the arms are exactly on the wing there. You can see that. Yep. So basically, this is how best we can, we can change the background of any image in this world. So after that, you just come and press Ctrl Alt Space, and you come and save your work. So once you save our work, to just be in GPG, that's how you have to save your work, and maybe change the background. You can name it anything you want, depending on what you're doing. Yeah, so it will be saved, and when you come to your work that is saved, you'll be able to find it there. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful for you, and hope you're going to continue following our videos, and because I know you people are learning through these videos. Thank you so much.